Monsters has scored. Mikey Williams is there also to keep the lights out, and even their imports. So let's see the defensive adjustment of Rain or Shine, but that time around simply too fast, and that time around the Purdy was see that Lure in action, just looking at his defender, which is
Go for my brother.
Eto na naman tayo bago simula. Huminga ng malalim, alisin ang kaba. Tapos na ang kahapon, pwede na yung itapon. Huwag na ng mga araw, dapat yan ibabon. Katulad sa panibagong hamon. May paparating na bagong araw. Pwede kang lamunin, pwede mong
From the other side.
Pwede kanyang gabayan. Kung ako sa'yo, tumayo ka na dyan. Huwag ka na magpapili. Kami ay sila, pagtulusan.
Maria keeps it alive. Offensive rebound naman para sa Villarreal. Goes in, gets it, and he's fouled.
actually be the one who will create the contact and then after
6 to shoot. The blur to Discante. Up to Tira. He got it off of that one.
this guy has a
He finally clears Martinez from King. Jason stepping on the gas. Gets the basket. Atinya pa foul. Lobbed it over to Dublin Joe. Astro to the left side. The jumper is up and in.
Casper connecting from that short corner. It's talking text really taking advantage of that.
Castro's open from 3. Get for the violation of that drive. Up one is Phoenix. 4:39 to go. First